wasn't just that my dad helped.
In his speech, Mitt Romney emphasized his proposals to help people of all races by boosting the economy.
As president, I'll show the good things that can happen when we have more free enterprise, more business activity, more jobs, more opportunity, more paychecks, more savings accounts.
But the polite atmosphere turned sour when he mentioned his plan to repeal President Obama's health care reform law.
I'm going to eliminate every non-essential, expensive program I can find. That includes Obamacare, and I'm going to work to reform and save.
Although he wasn't here in person, the nation's first African-American president held sway over most of those in attendance. A majority of black voters traditionally back Democrats. And the president's health care program is popular with blacks, including Jesse Handy, who notes that it was modeled on a law created by Mitt Romney.
I find it really baffling, considering Obamacare is basically just based on the same template he used in Massachusetts.
The plight of the millions of citizens who have no health insurance is a major concern for Houston healthcare worker Jerome Raven.
It's not good enough to the African American demographic to just say, I'm going to repeal this, I'm going to get rid of it. We want to know what you're going to do with it.
This abiding confidence.
But some people found areas of agreement with Romney. Like Toledo, Ohio NAACP branch president Kevin Bedford. He likes the candidate's proposals to boost small businesses and protect them from what he sees as unfair competition from China.
When you look at small businesses being able to compete on a global market, when you look at those jobs and the opportunities that small businesses can have, if there were some sense of protection from the government, I clearly think that our small business could be more competitive.
Some young black voters at the event also responded positively to Romney's economic proposals, but 18-year-old Christina House wanted more substance.
It was informative and it was a nice campaign speech. He kind of told us more of what we wanted to hear rather than what we needed to hear, I believe.
Polls show around 90% of U.S. blacks support President Obama, but the Romney campaign hopes to chip away at some of that support in the months ahead by concentrating on the still high unemployment rate among blacks and an economy that is showing few signs of growth. Flakus, VOA News, Houston.